Himanshi. Assalamu alaikum student. Let's start our lesson which is about kinds of mixture. Okay students, in my previous lesson I told you about mixture. Okay, how mixture is formed when you mix two or more things. Okay, so there are different types of mixture depending upon the mixing. Okay, first type is solution. Okay, so what is a solution? I will tell you with the help of example. Okay, for example, sugar and water. When you mix sugar and water, it's not easy to tell what is in the mixture. Okay, when you mix it, after some time when it is properly mixed, then you cannot see sugar in the water. Okay, it is because it is fully dissolved, evenly dissolved. So when we mix sugar and water, the mixture is now clear. Okay, we cannot see the sugar in the water. This mixture is called a solution. Okay, so solution, it is a clear mixture. Okay, the substances, they are evenly distributed, evenly dissolved. Okay, we cannot see which substance is present in that mixture. So mixture, it is a solution, it is clear. Okay, so we cannot see the sugar because it has mixed with the water. The sugar has dissolved in the water. In a solution of sugar and water, the sugar is called the solute. Okay, solute is that part of the solution which we take in less amount. You see, you take sugar in less amount as compared to the water. So what is sugar? Sugar is solute. Okay, and the water is called the solvent because you dissolve the sugar in the water. So sugar is solute and the water is solvent. We say that sugar is soluble in water. Soluble mean it can easily dissolve in the water. Salt is also soluble in the water. Okay, when you mix salt in the water, it is also dissolved and we cannot see salt. Okay, so it's mean it is also soluble in the water. Sugar and salt are more soluble in hot water than in cold water. Okay, you see, when you compare the hot and cold water, you see hot water dissolve more amount of sugar in it as compared to cold water. Okay, so it's mean sugar and salt, they are more soluble in hot water as compared to cold water. Okay, so when you mix these things, we can only check the substances when we taste it. Okay, when you dissolve the sugar in the water, you cannot see the sugar in it, but when you taste that water, it is sweet. So it's mean that sugar is present in the water. It is distributed evenly throughout the mixture. Okay, so when one substance dissolve in another, the two form a solution. They two form a solution. Okay, when one substance dissolved in another, they form a solution. In other words, any mixture made up of tiny particles that are evenly mixed and do not settle out is called a solution. Okay, in solution there are parts of solution. One is solute, which we take in less amount. Okay, and second is solvent, which is which we take in more amount. Okay, more quantity. So in sugar water solution, sugar is solute and water is solvent because we dissolve sugar in the water. Okay students, so now I will tell you about the suspension. Okay, what is suspension? Suspension is the type of mixture in which not fully dissolve. Okay, substance is not fully dissolved. Some substances are not soluble in water. We say that they are insoluble. Okay, Some substances, they are not soluble, they are insoluble, they do not dissolve in water. It means they will not dissolve completely in the water. Sand and chalk are insoluble in water. If you put sand and salt in the water, you will see they will not mix evenly as sugar and salt. So if you add some powdered chalk to a glass of water and shake it, you will see white specks in the water. Okay, you will see white small pieces of chalk will remain in the water. The chalk is in, its mean the chalk is insoluble, it has not dissolved in the water. We call this mixture a suspension. Suspension mean when solute is not fully dissolved. Okay, when solute is not fully dissolved, then it is called suspension. In solution, solute is fully dissolved as salt and sugar. We cannot see sugar and salt in the water, but when the solute and when the substance is not fully dissolved as chalk, sand, iron filling, they are not fully dissolved in the water, we can see them, they are hang in the water, they suspend in the water. This is called suspension. Okay, so you see many syrup in your home, they are suspension. Okay, so why we say that shake well before drinking? Because they suspend in the mixture. Okay, they suspend, so when you mix they will distribute it evenly. Okay, so in suspension, and in suspension solute will not fully dissolve. Okay, so next is emulsion. Next type of mixture is emulsion. Add some cooking oil to a glass of water and shake it. Okay, what will happen? You will see that the water becomes cloudy. Okay, water will oil will not dissolve in the water. Oil is not soluble in water. Oil and water do not mix properly. We call this type of a mixture is an emulsion. Okay, now it is called emulsion. So if you leave the emulsion on a shelf for some time, you will see that the oil comes to the top of the water. So layers will layers will come. So this is called emulsion. Okay, next type is alloy. Alloy is also a type of mixture. A mixture of different metals is called an alloy. Coins and cooking pots are made up of alloys. Brass is an alloy of copper and zinc metals. Bronze is an alloy of the metals copper and tin. Example of alloys are brass, copper and bronze. Okay, so these all are the types of mixture. Number one is solution, second is solution is clear, suspension it is not clear, emulsion in this layers are formed, and alloy it is also a mixture of different metals. Okay students, in next lesson I will tell you how you will separate the different substances from the mixture. Okay, thank you.